Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable auto-delete messages in Telegram on Android. This simple feature helps keep your chats clean and private by automatically deleting messages after a set time. Let's get started and make your messaging safer. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap on Auto-Delete Messages. Now you'll see several timer options. You can choose between after 1 day, after 1 week, after 1 month, or tap Set Custom Time to define your own duration. Once you select the desired time, tap on the Enable button to activate the feature. And that's it. Auto-delete is now active on your Telegram. Your messages will automatically disappear based on the timer you selected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.